Na ene me hu nsem bia na medwendwen ho afa o man ya na motu ayetu ene de enti aye ntimi nkoyenim na ohwe omo aye nhwehwemu ahodo CDD ene omo ekeka ho no omo point out nuoma a ema o man ya twe yeto ase aye ntimi nkoyenim a omo boboso a yenyi ketase hye proedwunim kankan emfiri mu na se otimu se edi enya pa the issues of corruption eyade a ama country no o my Ghana every year into Minkoyenim. Na in fact since 1948-49 the Kose Committee, Justice Kose Committee no we had addressed then colonial time no ni ade nyina no you say these issues ade a hadwene ya be rem through your independence as a country with the Fourth Republic. Your constitution. Ya hihye no ma wom si ye pese ye fight no ma ema o man ni yedie enko nanim. En aban bia obebe bia no eye na adwen se ade ye be ma o man no dwirim keta hihye preju a ebe ha o man na ma o man ni ntimi enko nanim de obekon afiri ho. It is what here governments have been within the Fourth Republic obia ka ho asem se obekon corruption anase o mpese obete corruption kra. Na ya no mo campaign mu ti bebre media me ba corruption the betting of the past me ba corruption be twam me kai say 2016 the na dey board John Dramani Mahama ti super said the government ni corrupt and no kai Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia and na Danko Akufo-Addo those times ye be corruption ye be too corruption I think from 2023 ni adi nyina no se wutie na Danko Akufo-Addo State of the Nation address ni other statements a woma as the Ghana corruption craving hobiemu. And now I am surprised. Now Afro Barometer, in fact 2024 report no say 85% of Ghanaians ejitum say corruption aye worse. And our share score no cry fem compared to the previous years. Na say modern bona ankosro ketase produce kankan ne kon. In fact, as such as 70% say abino na wonko corruption ye in the previous year. Na che say secretary project kankan no adokro wo manya hwe ba bia me bo din free ye. Edeba besi sabre within the Fourth Republic. De bia ye ka issues of corruption. De bia will be a disika, de bia will be a ria wo man, de bia will be bo man kro no. Ye mo man ni bleedi. And abai bia baso obe promise say obetu ase. Ehini efiri ni abeduru hey. Corruption ni gusu ekosu because you need a political will, you need opepanesi e de be kun ketasese predream kankan na free ho. And na yamiki so say omo a e ka koro omo ye corrupt na nkasa omo awia ye na nkasa ye nkrofo so a omo nso e na ye mrade mayi. Ye be kom ra shebedwafie ni ama bi no appointment because if I can see no appointment na say free mra shebedwafie. MP we ani ama appointment no akoye minister of CCC MP we ni ama appointment no akoye we edi appointees no a obehwe no omfiri aban mu no ni awia ye oman no adwirigiri oman no aku oman no ketase predwum kankan mu because omo a ese omo hwe na nki yetimi yire mramu diti aketase predwum kankan no omo anhim ene omo yesa na oman nyina the conflict of interest ni ade wo cases bi mu emi ntimi hu ye ho ano empanish nkrofo yi. Nancy Kra, the Omukoye, Attorney General. Era Godfrey, or former Attorney General. Edek by ya, woman de betum, plea bargaining. Tinu be a shada transi, aboni timpia or mino, edu or mine sikanoa, yehuno. Ye besha china suyeno. E woman says sikandi hiadi, and as ye sinipano, which me be triamu fakes, ye nubia. Na ye jaya manaka. So, one way mrande maye now. It when acquire to say, sa plea bargaining no. I bet to say, Adia, so socket as a pre-dream cancan, so Tim Rasha be Janoa, Rasha Fonoa, Manofonoa, no my be a bit me a more quine, near to me a cost where we are mine. Na Adia Bakwan and another Danko Akufo-Addo de buy an de was the office of the special prosecutor. Nankebe bois, ama. ketase predwim kan yetumi etu ase because wo hwɛ yoku shrage ne wo mo aka ni nyina no a sa tumi a yɛde obi di gyina mbra nim ɛme yɛtwe na so sɛ bia wabɔkoro no wayɛ corrupt ayɛsei no wo mo no sa tumi no wo mu ni bi attorney general na yɛ di sa adwuma no on their behalf na special prosecutor de emra na mani tumi so otimi di sa adwuma no de wo mo adi sika ɛbɔ man kro no kugina mbra nanim enti office ne bae na yɛhwɛ mbra de ne bae ne yɛni agye sɛ betumi akɔda nim akoketa hye predwum kankan until say the first special prosecutor Martina Midu eba monten beka asem hu ne yɛkɔ no ano ɔden na aban no na nado danko akufu ado no kora wo no te sa office no mother serpent of corruption odo mother serpent of corruption Martina Midu na sem wo kan no o si Emma BC kura ban so hwem on August 2023 eba newspaper mu say BC phones ya ask one question on Martina Midu mother serpent of corruption ase first special prosecutor and wodi free ho and yewura kisi agya ben bai the first person ya no so obeko corruption ye na nado danko akufuado the office ote ye kura sa office no describe no as mother serpent of corruption ye free wo kisi agya ben aba wo abo na dwuma kakra no wo se onya some challenges because aban no na nado danko akufuado aban na man kwan nye na dwuma omutietia na namomu etiedu ba bi kro to anko anoma na enu na mehwehwe mu anam say can this be true na Joy News research desk information about bontin uhwe years of cases were treated from 2022 to 2025 first half of the year and me hu say 2020 were fam 2 pe 2021 2 2022 13 cases we initiated 2023 19 2024 27 so about 2025 onko aban sesan ye ba ya John Dramani Mahama ne ba mu cases na kure do 70 telling you how active the office has become not just said na kisi ja be kase etietia na namomu any IMF and some de betu dwa say interference ewo mu ntini ntimi corruption political interference no say ya no kure because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kan in January 31st 2024 ewonin se mu se obe strengthen the office of the special prosecutor and that on bra Facebook journey Facebook in Nhyira 104.5 was Mahama vows to bolster OSP when elected when you cry July January this is the January it will can 2 times January 31 2024 e could do July or sa kan biem so obebua ma OSP office no ayetene na ya adwuma yi because on one observe say ye man kwan nya na adwuma it was surprised say say there are some political actors and even members of the ruling government calling for say yen scrap the office of the special prosecutor because ye incompetent because ontimi nya na adwuma whilst the flag bearer of the NDC then I know my government confirm say the OSP is weakened so he will come and strengthen it or can so be bolster the OSP's office na mo metimi akonkan na sa very na dey na muhu and we are still judging the OSP according to that past years knowing clearly say no problem challenges to execute ni no maybe to be very effective because government are no which Mahama and same way confirm we then no flag bearer so ba no be strengthen ene ye nya nkrofo a de petition eko de bill eko parliament na wo mo eko hwe se ye betumi etwa OSP office ni mu na makawa ha 12 days ago and check 12 days ago and I can say same way TB 12 days ago just 12 days ago and check cancer same way. And so it takes the political will to fight corruption. Yet me have this office to be successful. And my point is that let's allow the OSP to see Ejaben some time. Because it's evidence from this data that the collaboration this time Masemni me can just 12 days ago. Nenra I was happy. Say asema mekan na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enso bekan. Within this 8 months, 10 months, whatever.
And so that's why we're resourcing the Economic and Organized Crime Office and the other anti-corruption institutions, including the Office of the Special Prosecutor. And recently, there have been some controversy with the Office of the Special Prosecutor. I think it's premature to call for the closure of that office. The unique thing about that office is it is the only anti-corruption agency that has prosecutorial powers to be able to prosecute themselves.
And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and so as I'm saying, premature. Tiaman no kwan kakra. Asem a meka 12 days ago no an nra. Ono so abeka asem pepepe. Why are people eager? Omania bre striving say yen scrap the OSP of, especially those within this present government. And na MPs almost what government team a majority side. Why are they seriously calling for yen scrap OSP? In fact, this OSP and OSP enya abanya otisui and appointed no. This OSP and OSP so yehu so enya affiliated to this particular government anyway. And so why is appointees in this government and of course MPs or more this government yafa e call us yen sa OSP in free. In fact, from my deduction, is it that say ebia they want to be potentially corrupt? Ebia na krono obi ni mutrim. Na ebia OSP we no mfa ncha wo mo. He will come after them until they want us to move them out yin free wo. Na afei wo mo anya kwan na bia de ne beba na ne ye ya appointing ni nim no familiarity. Na yetimi akowura cha ye de ebe ye. Because edi an omo bobo ebi bota de sorry ebi bobo edi on bobo nyina people who are affiliated to the present government. Edi omo bosenke you OSP kisia jabi free wa yemfo omo mra no. Most of the names are affiliated to this government. What are they pushing for? But clearly, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, a man of his words, many ajepa and me bow abaso with this decision. So we are president, we see waso, e wo no ma emwa wo mayi ho. Na wo de obegire mu se obeje de ebebo wo mai natum. Thank you very much, Mr. President. So you rather strengthen the OSP by one scrap office now, because it's a tool ebeboa me etimi akọ corruption. Your appointees and those MPs are pushing for the scrapping of the OSP because probably they have certain bad intentions. Even when they pass this bill through, men sign. Don't sign, don't assent. They make sure that the OSP office will stand. Now the back ye as o mine say. Media, His Excellency, sa plea bargaining adeno. And no nanko de bail e kokra se yenye yanka weni beje ho. Yentwam sa plea bargaining obi e disca wie no metua kakra na yentwa sa amrani. And ebe influence corruption. Ebe promote corruption. Yentwam. But me bo abaso decision a wotiki. So obema OSP na agina na ungu no and you strengthen it. Minister beboa mo man etimi etumpo. Nsha 104.5. We eye kro yimu nsem.